Our experiment for this year is lungs model and respirometer. Our concepts are that diffusion and gas exchange are important processes correlated to the respiratory system. Diffusion is the transfer of molecules of a higher concentration to a lower concentration. This applies to the respiratory system whenever the blood returns to the lungs from the body with higher carbon dioxide than oxygen. Gas exchange is the delivery of oxygen from the lungs into the bloodstream and the removal of carbon dioxide from the bloodstream into the lungs. Here are some examples of respirometer results. Our main purpose for this experience is to understand the levels of organization and to understand how systems interact among each other. The driving question is, how do the lungs function, and what levels of organization exist that are smaller than and larger than the lungs? The few materials you will need for this experiment is a spirometer, a vernier Logger Pro, a LabQuest Mini, a laptop, a mouthpiece, and a nose clip. This experiment is very simple. All you have to do is take the spirometer probe, a bacterial filter, and a disposable mouthpiece. Make sure you have the Logger Pro program downloaded onto your laptop, and follow the steps below. For your safety, there shouldn't be any hazardous chemicals nearby. The only precaution to take is to replace the disposable mouthpiece on the spirometer if more than one person will be using it. Here are some of our pictures from our experiment. And here is a guide of what the graph should look like. This is the table filled with all of our results with all 3 trials along with the averages of each trial. In our experiment, we concluded that our oxygen intake and our carbon dioxide outtake was very normal. The bronchioles in our body help regulate the carbon dioxide intake and make sure it is disposed of properly and does not damage our body. This is related to the respiratory system. Thank you for watching.